Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Mr. Mint to Trust Wallet. First, ensure you have the Trust Wallet application installed on your mobile device. Next, gather your Mr. Mint account login details, as you will need them shortly. Finally, please confirm that your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful connection. Now, open your Trust Wallet application and look for the browser icon, typically found at the bottom. Tap on it to open the decentralized application browser. In the address bar at the top, carefully type in the official website address for Mr. Mint. Double-check the URL to ensure you are visiting the correct and secure platform. Once the Mr. Mint website loads, take a moment to verify that you are on the legitimate site to prevent phishing. Look for a Connect Wallet button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page, and click it. A list of wallet options will appear. Select Trust Wallet to proceed with the connection. After selecting Trust Wallet, a prompt will appear within your Trust Wallet app. Carefully review all the details of the connection request to understand what permissions are being granted. If everything looks correct, approve the connection. Congratulations! Your Mr. Mint account is now securely connected to your Trust Wallet, allowing you to manage your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.